This was my first time to produce, to co-produce, and I'm so grateful kasi this is a very different film festival kasi talagang 100% yung support ng Pure Gold. Anything na you can ask for, like if may problems kayo in terms of producing, in terms of anything, meron silang assistance talagang binibigay, so we never really had a problem. Actually, pag nakakausap ko yung mga ibang directors, lagi silang nagtatanong kung paano this, paano that, and I always tell them na nakasupport sila all the way. So, grabe, this is a once in a lifetime chance talaga. Sobrang, yun, parang, ano siya, parang I think the directors will be pleasantly surprised na this festival talaga is so hands-on, it's so supportive talaga. Magugulat sila na pag may hiningi silang help, talagang nabibigyan siya ng solution. So, grabe, they'll find out. Kasi pag nangyari na talagang, kasi sobrang hirap mag-produce but this one talaga, grabe, sobrang hands-on sila. A lot of things na hindi na dapat actually nila ginagawa, pero they extend a helping hand. So, yun, I'm just very lucky na nakabilang ako dito sa first edition, and sobrang swerte nung sobrang swerte nung second batch. Naiinggit kami actually kasi talagang lumaki siya, like it's bigger, it's bolder, but very, very honored to be part of the first. So, yeah.
Hello po. Ako po si Diesel. Naging isa sa mga first batch ng student directors na binigyan ng grant ng 100,000 pesos last year. Yung experience ko, sobrang saya. It's one of those moments na parang gusto ko nang i-relieve. Ganyan. Kasi parang, as an aspiring storyteller, binigyan talaga ng Pure Gold yung platform. Binigyan kami ng mga students, mga platform para ikwento yung mga gusto namin ikwento. And actually, wala akong expectations noon about sa Pure Gold. Parang sumali lang ako and all. And then, boosh! Ayun na, top 20, top 40, and then top 25. And then, screening! Oh my God! Mapaluhalo ako that time, nagsiscreening. Kasi, syempre, di ba, as a student and aspiring filmmaker, parang sobrang laki at sobrang, ganun yung feeling na parang ipapalabas yung ginawa mong pelikula sa sinihan. I think, talagang na-champion yung advocacy din ng Pure Gold to celebrate Filipino stories, lalo na din yung mga aspiring filmmakers like me. Kasi isa sa mga parang mahirap gawin ng mga student filmmakers is yung sa distribution din. And the fact na pinapalabas yung mga ginagawa namin pelikula dito sa Gateway Cinemas is malaking tulong na parang mabigyan kami ng platform para mahiyag kung ano yung mga gusto namin. And ang saya ng Pure Gold. At sabi ko nga parang gusto ko mag-MA, hindi kaya mag-law, para makasali ulit dito sa student shorts ulit for the second time. Ayun, pero ang saya. Thank you so much po, Miss Ivy, Direct Chris, and of course, sa president ng Pure Gold, si Mr. Vincent ko. Ayun po.
So hello po, ako po si Genevieve Adame, and isa rin po sa kasali sa student category. Kanina pa ako nag-iisip nung si Sir, ano palang nagsasalita, kaso ngayon wala pa rin ako naisip na sasabihin. So, ang experience lang naman is super parang surreal na kasi ano lang ako noon parang third year college student na fourth year na ba ako noon? Fourth year college student na 21 pa lang naman, tapos nakita lang naman sa GC yung sinend na post of Pure Gold, tapos nagkaturo, isali tayo dito guys. Tapos ayaw ko pa sumali kasi may thesis, may capstone, ganyan. Parang yung school ang priority as a very focus na mag-aaral na bata. Kaso parang nahibabaw lang talaga yung passion ko sa filmmaking. That's why I submitted, and then super unexpected na napili. And bilang student filmmaker lang naman, parang lagi ko nasa isip ko na yun yung pinaka-struggle ko, na paano ako gagawa ng film without any support. And then biglang lumabas dyan si Pure Gold na binigay na lahat ng resources and fund and distribution and platform, and all I have to do is do my craft and execute my passion and yung dedication ko sa art mismo, sa film in general. Kaya sobrang thankful ako na para kong binaby-baby ng Pure Gold talaga, parang magawa kong ano yung gusto kong gawin. And unfortunately, gumraduate na, so hindi na makakasali. But, ayun po, sana marami ring ibang student na mag-try lang, kahit lang yun yung mindset nila mag-try, kasi yun lang din naman yung sa akin noon. And I guarantee na after trying, the road ahead, after na mapili ka, sobrang fulfilling niya as a aspiring filmmaker. Thank you po.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna de Monteverde. I'm from the University of the Philippines, Visayas, so I'm one of the regional filmmakers na naging part ng Batch 1 of the Cine Panalo Film Festival. So in my experience with the Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival, it was very fun for me, despite it being my first directorial film, and it's also the first film I wrote, it's the first film I produced, and everything. It was very memorable kasi hindi naman nothing was hard, parang okay. It was, napaka-helpful nga, as mentioned, napaka-helpful ng Pure Gold. And, as a regional filmmaker, they flew us here to Manila nung press con and nung screening nung festival as well. And they made sure that we had roofs over our heads, we had, palagi kaming busog, ganon. And yun, for my experience naman sa film ko, I really thank Pure Gold and commend their advocacy kasi hindi ko in-expect this time last year na I would submit a story to the Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. But kasi yung story ko, it was inspired by something that happened to me nung August last year. Anyway. So yun, nag-submit lang ako. I didn't tell anyone. I just told my producer who was sitting over there a few days before the announcement. Tapos yun, nag-announce ng shortlist. Tapos sigaw-sigaw kami kasi classmates kami ni Marian. And we were a group for her film na I will let her tell her story. And yun, sigawan kami, oh my God, nadala na shortlist. And then hanggang sa the finals, oh my God, the finals, may 100,000 tayo. So yes, we are very grateful to Pure Gold for everything from us submitting and of course kay Direct Chris, kay Miss Ivy, kay Miss Jel, kay Miss Yvette. Shout out. Yun po kasi despite our questions, like minsan out of office hours na kami nagtatanong, Direct Miss, pwede bang ganito, ganyan? They never made us feel na ano ba yan? Ba't ka nagtatanong? Anong oras na to? Ganon. So yun. Thank you so much, Miss Ivy, Direct Chris, and Mr. Vincent ko. And I'm hoping na marami pang students ang submit this year because yun nga, the grant is bigger. And guys, Pure Gold will not let you down. Thank you.
Rexona. Di ba Rexona sa'yo? Supported by. So, for me, classmate nga kami ay Marian Chongzon. So, ang dami na sinabi ni Jo eh. Pwede na yun, joke lang. So, for me, parang at first talaga, hesitant kami sumali. Kasi like, parang lagi siyang dumadaan sa FYP namin, sinesend din sa GC, but then parang ina-advisean kami ng iba naming classmates to really look. Kasi ando naman, very open yung Pure Gold in terms of rights. Everything, it's there before ka pa mag-submit. So, basa-basa kami, gano'n, ano na to. Pero syempre, as a student filmmaker, wala tayong pera. So, sabi namin, sige, try lang natin para wala tayong what if. So, like, noon nga, yung nagtuloy-tuloy na hanggang sa nadala na kami sa top 25 and we never expected. Like kami nagsaside-eye ni Joe and Reg. Kasi like, hala, parang princess treatment tayo. Like, huh? Like, sinusundo kami, hinahatid kami, like everything, yung itinerary, it's so well, like parang planned, na parang hindi talaga kami parang like nabagot here or like hindi alam yung gagawin namin. Kasi nga, we're from Visayas. So, sila Miss Jel, sila Direct Chris, like, parang ginaguide talaga kami throughout. Yeah, Sir Archie. So, yun nga po, for the students who want to join, wag na kayo mag-hesitate. Yun na yun. Join na kayo, like, kahit, like, if you have, like, a story in mind, a personal story, write it. Just write from your heart. Yun lang din yung ma-advise ko as, like, first, like, a screenwriter or, like, a director. Yung very first story ko talaga, it came from an experience. Kasi, the more na parang close to your heart, it's easier to write. And, yun nga, parang mas ma-relay mo siya sa audiences and to the people na gusto mo nga, ipakita yung story mo, ganon. Kaya nga, kwentong panalo ng Pure Gold. So, yes, thank you po sa lahat. Like, sa Pure Gold, sa Insight 360 and everything. Thank you for the help.